Hello there. Today my lecture about NDT, non-destructive test. We use NDT for defects and imperfection. Mostly imperfection and defects come in welding. We main for NDT technique we use in welding. First one is RT. RT stand of radiography test, and other one is UT, ultrasonic test, and third one is DPT, dye penetrant test, and fourth and last is MPI, magnetic particle test. We use these for only check defects. There are some defects come outside of joint. We use this only DPT, and some defects come second layer like 3 mm or 4 mm. Now we go to screen. What is NDT? What is the difference between destructive test and non-destructive test? The 8 most common NDT methods. Welding NDT. How DOS can help with NDT. What is NDT? We shall already covered what NDT stands for, how the phase in use in the field. How let's dive in and look more closely at some of the details that govern the world of NDT. The importance of NDT when it comes to ensure that assists are properly maintained. The importance of non-destructive test cannot be overemphasized. Here the top reason NDT is used by so many companies throughout the world. Saving. The most obviously answer of this question that is that NDT is more appealing than standard. Destructive test becomes it all allows the material is object being where is NDT used. Mostly we use NDT in these industries: oil and gas, power generation, chemicals, mining, aerospace, automotive, mining. In all of these industries, there are 3 different methods that inspection used to gain access to hard to reach location or location at height: scaffolding, rope access, drones. NDT codes and standards. API, American Petroleum Institute, ASME, American Society for Mechanical Engineering, ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, ASNT, American Society for Non-Destructive Testing. What is the difference between destructive testing and non-destructive testing? Non-destructive testing (NDT) is used to collection information about a material in ways that do not alter it, i.e., without destructive it. Destructive testing (DT) is used to collection information about a material in ways that do alert it destructive testing. Essentially, the NDT and DT difference is that NDT does not require impose the damage the material the test will DT does. Other remaining NDT method we discuss next lecture.